Hi there! In this video, we will solve a 4th grade Math Olympiad problem. Let's read the question. Angle C is 40 degrees. What is the sum of green angles D and A? Basically D plus A. So let's place the values we know in the question. So C is 40. So these are perpendicular lines, and right angle we are given here. It is marked as a perpendicular line. So we don't know this angle. So this angle is common for small triangle we have, and also common for the big triangle. So we have two triangles in this shape. So we need to find this one first, and then we need to find this angle to reach angle D. So we need to use we will use two different rules in geometry. So the first rule is triangle sum theorem. So it states that the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So it states that the interior angles, basically 40 plus 90 plus question mark, must be equal to 180. So 130 plus question mark equals 180. And if you subtract 130 from both sides, so question mark will be 50 degree. So if this is 50 degree, so we can write 50 degree here, and I will use another rule to find the A. So what is that rule? Supplementary angles rule. So according to this rule, if we have a straight line, so we assume this is a straight line, this triangle is also a straight line. If we have an angle splitting this straight angle, so straight angle is equal to 180. So that's why this angle and this angle, total of these, sum of these angles must be equal to 180. Let's say this angle is X and this angle is Y. X plus Y must be equal to 180. So as many as you have angles, you add all of them, it makes 180 degree again. So in R, if we apply this information to our problem, so 50 plus A must be equal to 180. You subtract 50 from both sides, A equals 130. So we found the one piece of the puzzle, which is A. We found it, 130. So how can we reach to D? So I can see that D and this, I can call this angle double question mark. D and this double question mark is also on the straight line. So I can use the same rule here. So I can say question mark, double question mark plus D must be equal to 180. But first I need to know what, so we have two unknowns here, double question mark and D. So these are unknowns. So I can use the same triangle sum theorem and find out what the double question mark value is. So how are we gonna do that? So 50 plus 90 must plus double question mark must be equal to 180. So I'm gonna solve it right here. Double question mark plus 90 plus 50 must be equal to 180. So double question mark plus 140 must be equal to 180. Subtract 140 from both sides. So double question mark value is 40 degree. So that 40 degree, we can put it on the shape, is supplementary angle along with D, angle D. So we can plug that value here in this equation. So 40 plus D equals 180. So we subtract 40 from both sides. D equals 140. So we found the other piece of the puzzle here. So if we add them, so what do we need to know to answer? We need to know D and A. So I will plug this value here in D plus A. So I know D. So I will plug this right here into A. I know A as well. So it will be 140 plus 130 must be equal to 270. So we found this information and this result, and it is what we are looking for. D plus A is equal to 270 degree as a result of this question, solution of this question. I hope you like this question and you enjoyed the solution. I will see you in the next video. Bye.